Hello, we are the SpaceX fans and welcome to the SpaceX Show, the place where you can stay up to date with everything SpaceX. I'm trying a different format of video today, so over in Boca Chica, Pad 1 work has been continuing with sheet pile installation. Groundwork has been continuing for the expansion of the launch site. Work has been continuing at the air separation unit site. The launch site perimeter wall has been seen being painted recently. Work has started on the 4th level of the Gigabay at Starbase. The first lot of cladding was seen added to the Gigabay. SpaceX have been seen constructing a new static fire test stand. Here's a look at the construction progress on the apartment building. Elon Musk posted some information about his confidence in Starship version 3. He said, "I am highly confident that the V3 design will achieve full reusability." In response to this post, he also gave some information on when they might try and catch a Starship. He said, "Should note that SpaceX will only try to catch the ship with the tower after 2 perfect soft landings in the ocean. The risk of the ship breaking up over land needs to be very low." Starship has a contract to launch a space station in the future. Jeff Faust posted saying the contract to launch the Starlab space station on a SpaceX Starship is worth $90 million. These interesting white tiles were spotted installed on a Starship nose cone. Last month, SpaceX posted some pictures of Starship 39 rolling out. They said the first Starship V3 has left the build site to begin pre-launch testing. As we get closer to the launch of Starship Flight 12, SpaceX posted this video and some pictures of Starship 39 undergoing some pre-flight testing. They said Ship 39 cryo-proof operations complete the first campaign with a next-generation Starship V3. Across several days, engineers tested the vehicle's redesigned propellant system and its structural strength, including squeeze tests to mimic the forces of future ship catches. As mentioned by SpaceX in their post, Starship 39 did a bunch of rounds of testing. Elon Musk posted information on when we might see Starship Flight 12 launch. He said on March 7th, Starship V3 first flight in about 4 weeks. Here's a look at Starship 40 as it's worked on in Megabay 2. Here's a look at 10 Raptor 3 engines installed on Booster 19 for testing as it was lifted onto Pad 2. SpaceX did a bunch of rounds of testing, including a 10-engine static fire to activate orbital Pad 2. SpaceX posted some information about the Booster 19 pre-flight testing. They said initial Super Heavy V3 and Starship Pad 2 activation campaign complete, wrapping up several days of testing that loaded cryogenic fuel and oxidizer on a V3 vehicle for the first time. While the 10-engine static fire ended early due to a groundside issue, we saw successful startup on all installed Raptor 3 engines. Next up, preparing the booster for a 33-engine static fire. Booster 19 was later rolled back to the production site. The Booster 20 transfer tube was seen lifted for installation inside Megabay 1. Over to Falcon launches. Since my last video, SpaceX have launched 14 Starlink missions and 1 customer mission. This brings their total 2026 Falcon launch count to 37. Coming up this week, we should see a few Falcon missions launch. The first of these, the Starlink 1717 mission, is currently scheduled for Tuesday 24th at 11:03 PM UTC or 7:03 PM EST. A couple of days later and we should see another Starlink mission launch. The Starlink 1044 mission is currently scheduled for Thursday 26th at 11:22 AM UTC or 7:22 AM EST. Then, in about a week, SpaceX should launch a bunch of customer missions. The Transporter 16 mission is currently scheduled for Sunday 29th at 11:10 AM UTC or 7:10 AM EST. The European Space Agency has announced it will be buying a launch for astronauts on a Crew Dragon capsule. This post says ESA announced on March 19th that the agency intends to purchase a dedicated SpaceX Crew Dragon flight to the International Space Station for its astronauts. As always, I have to say thanks to Gage Telesz, Colleen Liedtke and Cesar Garcia for being out there filming the Starbase content. Also thanks to the NASA spaceflight team working behind the scenes on their videos, live streams and other space content. That's it for this episode of the SpaceX Show. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and leave a comment down below. If you want to stay updated with SpaceX info, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified when I upload. Thanks for watching and have a great day.